In this video, I will tell you how to add a description to Instagram Reels. So first of all, we will make a reel. I will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen here. Then I will tap on Reels and I will make a reel here. And then I will tap on next, then again next here. And under this edit cover option, you can see write a caption here. So this is the place where you can actually write the description or a caption for your Instagram reel, and this is also the place where you can actually add the hashtags for your Instagram reels in order to get more views. So let's suppose that if I want to add this description here, that this is my mouse, and like if I want to add the hashtags here, I can actually add this computer mouse here, and I will select this hashtag again, and you get the idea that how this thing works. Okay, so this is the place where you can actually add the captions or description to your Instagram reel. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.